Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some nice cupcakes. So the first thing you need, so these are things you need to have. So you need to have some cupcake things. These will go in here. It's like cupcake things. Then some sprinkles. You don't have to include these. We got some Percy Pig ones. You can have any ones you like. And then some vanilla extract. Some chocolate and some like chocolate chips. You don't have to have them, we're just including them. So you need some 110 grams of flour. You need 110 grams of caster sugar and 110 grams of butter. So we've washed our hands, I think.
Let's wash hands.
Okay, we'll wash hands in a second. We just washed our hands. You also need 2 assistants. You can have them if you like. Now shoot. So, wait, I need you back. What's the first step?
Preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven at 180.
I think it's 180. Let's double check. We've got a recipe here. 160.
At 160.
So I will do that. So probably grown up needs to do that
Yeah,
bit.
a grown up needs to do that. That's why you need some handy assistants. Oh. Over there. And there. So these go in here. Should I sit down
Would you like?
now?
Yeah. Would you like one of your assistants to do that, Robin?
Charlie, assistant, would you like to do this or should I?
I'll do it.
Wait, we'll both do some. We have just some nice.
So they're all.
So
this is going to make 12.
yeah, 1, 2, 3.
This is going to make 12
So you get
cupcakes.
6. Robin, you get 6, I do 6. So you have 2 more. You do 2 more. And then I do 6.
Do you want to do another colour just for fun?
No.
Do you want to do another colour?
Yeah,
Or
let's
do
do
that
another
one?
colour.
Okay, you can do this one.
Yeah.
It's got elephants on it. Right. You want to do that? So
So we're using small cupcake papers, aren't we here?
Yep.
Not big muffin.
Yep.
Papers. These are small cupcake.
Wait, is that? Oh,
Papers.
you only have 3.
We need.
So
That's it. Fill the tray up. Any colour.
pick anyone.
The more the merrier.
Some of them are smaller. So
Oh, they are? Yeah, that's true.
we've got alcohol. So now what we do?
So, the next-
we mix these up.
We are going to mix our butter and our sugar up using the
Should I put
whizzer.
this in here?
Yes.
So everybody can see too.
Yep, so the sugar going in with the butter. The butter is a little bit softened, isn't it? I'll take that out of the way. So, get that over here nice close to the mixer.
So is this already?
Mixer is ready to go. That's going to be
Quite hard.
Let's get right in there, right in there.
Also, if you want, you can pause the video at any point if we're going a bit too fast for you. So we've mixed this up, so it looks like a bit like this.
It's a bit like scrambled eggs.
It
Yeah.
does look like scrambled eggs.
Looks a bit like scrambled eggs. So
Which is a good segue, Charlie, to our
Yep,
next
so-
ingredient.
now we're using eggs, I think.
We are using eggs, exactly right.
Do
We're going to
we
do
crack
2 of
these in
these.
here?
We're going to crack them into there.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get your bowls.
Can I crack one?
Why don't you do 1 each? You go.
Okay. Right, hold on. Are we going to crack them in there?
No, crack them into there and then put the shells in there.
Right. 1, 2, 3.
That's it, then get your fingers in. Yes.
Oh, I hate doing this. Especially because I hate eating eggs. No offense to any
Eggs are amazing.
No offense to any egg lovers out there, but
Or any eggs.
yeah, or any eggs.
Yeah.
I
Offend
don't
you. That's it. Now, if anyone's got slimy hands, wash them.
Yeah, if you got slimy hands, I'm
Don't touch
doing
the
it.
computer with slime.
Right, so now we're gonna mix this up. Should we put it on to like 4?
I would do a medium speed.
Okay, I'll put on to 3. It's not very long, I assume. So.
Right, that's it, that's okay, but we're going to just don't stop mixing it. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in. Okay, you hold the spoon over. Let's stop mixing. Charlie, hold the spoon over.
Okay,
keep that over the bowl. Right, ready, Charlie? 1 teaspoon and tip it in.
1 teaspoon.
And we'll put a little bit extra from that because it's really tasty.
Yeah, because it is really tasty.
Come on.
Mix that up.
What's it looking like, Robin?
Sorry?
What's it looking like?
Like this.
How's it looking? Now it looks like wet scrambled eggs, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's
a bit like porridge.
Now we need to put the flour in, but
Don't like porridge
we're going to
either.
do the flour a little bit differently. We're going to fold the flour in. So take this. We don't need this for now.
Now I'm going to put some flour in.
Charlie, tip the flour in, and Robin.
All of it.
All of it.
Okay.
All of it in. Dunk it in.
Dunk it. Slam
Robin,
it.
you are going to fold the flour in. Do you know how to do that? Do you know how to do that?
I think so. I'm just going to turn the board.
You just
It's not.
basically fold.
That's it. So you do like nice figures of 8 round. So that keeps the air in, so you get a nice light fluffy sponge.
So you do like figures of 8 or like infinity sign.
Yes.
So.
And go right underneath it, not to the top, and that's it. So we're folding the flour in.
So it goes all nice and fluffy.
We need a little bit of milk while you're doing this. We're going to put a little bit of milk in.
While you're mixing, folding, you add a little bit of milk in.
Now,
It looks a bit like porridge now, kind of.
It's gone from scrambled eggs to porridge. We're basically making breakfast.
I really don't like porridge either.
Oh, Robin, all these great things.
I mean, they're one of the.
That's it. So tip that in.
Like,
right, we'll just see.
I don't like those things, and I also don't like baked beans. That's basically it. Literally.
Which are all amazing things.
I love chilies.
Yes.
I hate chilies.
Oh.
No, he hates chilies. I love them.
That's it. Right, how are you getting on with that?
I've
Is
eaten
that
Carolina Reapers.
Yeah,
Yes, you have. Yes.
It's true, you have.
Yes. So how's that looking? Is that looking like a cake batter yet?
Kind of.
No. That it needs to be runnier, but that's fine because that's what the milk is for. So we just mix.
So if it's
That's
not runny
it.
enough, it's a bit still like porridge.
It's quite thick, isn't it? Yes, that's exactly
If
what
it's got
like.
lumps in, a bit like porridge, you add a bit more milk in.
Exactly. So what we want is we want it to be like a fairly runny.
You can stop waving now.
Fairly runny.
Yep.
Consistency.
So
I'm going to put 2 more spoonfuls of milk in there.
and then it gets too runny.
So that's 3. That's it. Careful. Do it nicely, gently. And this is also the moment where we're going to put some goodies in.
Ooh.
Now, you don't have to, but we've got some chocolate chunks to put in, haven't we?
Later in the video, we're going to make a hole in the cake and we're going to put the Percy pig in.
You don't have to do that. If you just like it normally, then you don't have to.
And by the way, this will be backwards for you. But
No, Charlie, it's not. It's just because that's what it looks like.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, this is a new discovery, isn't it?
Mhm.
We've made. Right, excellent. That's very good. That consistency is much better.
Smells good.
Wait, can I smell them? Oh, they smell like nerds.
Just sugar, guys.
It looks like loads of sugar.
Well, exactly. Just smell the sugar, right? That's it, Robin. Excellent. Mixy, mixy. I am thinking we put a touch more milk in
Can
that.
I put it in? Can I put
Just
it in?
a touch.
Can I tip it?
Go on, then you tip it, Charlie. Ready? In. Lovely. Right. Mixy, mixy. Very good, very good. Oh, that sounds good. That's making that good.
Oh yeah.
Is your arm tired?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can do it.
I'll try to take over for a minute.
Nah.
Scoop round the edge again.
Oh, please, can I do it? Please, can I do something?
I'll just get all the stuff off the edge then, sure. I can imagine myself being in the Great British Bake Off right now.
Can you?
Oh no, the pressure's on. Time's nearly up.
Bakers, you have 5 minutes left. That's excellent.
Noel going, going like big.
We'll be doing something funny.
Yeah. In the last Great British Bake Off, someone new went in and went on the first time of saying bake. They said "biak."
Yeah, in like a different accent.
Yes, we've enjoyed Chocolate Week, haven't we?
Yeah.
The Bake Off.
Chocolate Week.
Right, now we're going to put some chocolate chunks in there as well. Okay. You can leave it plain if you want to. We've chosen some milk chocolate chunks. I don't know, Charlie.
Wait, just put
them in. We'll mix and we'll see.
Right.
Hold on there. Think a few more.
Yeah, add a few more.
Think a few more.
A little bit more. Is that backwards?
And stop. Yeah.
So
that's not
you can add
Most of the
Oh,
packet.
God,
Yeah.
then tip the last ones in then. We don't want a few. Oh, there was quite a lot.
So we just if you are using these ones, you can just tip all of them in. If you're using this brand, just tip all of them in.
We have tipped, which is quite a lot in there.
Yeah.
Now.
It's quite a lot.
It's more chocolate than cake.
Chocolate.
We've basically made some chocolate with a bit of cake around it.
Yeah.
Haven't we? Let Charlie have a mix.
So
Sorry, can I take over your chair?
The mixing chair.
So he's just gonna carry on mixing. I'm just gonna pause the video. We've mixed it, so now it's all ready to pour in the muffin case. So we're not gonna show you how much we spend, but just because your muffin case might be smaller or bigger than ours, so just try to put them in evenly. So
yeah.
But
they should make 12. So we've got 12.
Don't eat it right now because there's raw egg in it and it will make you feel sick.
Well, it might do.
Yeah.
Be a bit careful, don't you? Okay.
So we'll speak to you when we've put everything in. We've put everything in, so it would look like this. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. I'll see you again once that's done. How long do we
Tomorrow.
Oh, that's a good question. Hang on.
No, Charlie, not
No,
tomorrow.
not tomorrow. I can't leave it in the oven all night, Charlie. It'd be disaster.
Yeah, I don't mean that.
8 minutes. Well, 8 to 10 minutes. But our oven's quite hot, so we're going to do 8 minutes.
So do 8 minutes if your oven is hot. If it isn't, 10 minutes. So
But I would
8
keep
to 10
checking them
minutes,
as
okay?
they go.
So just keep checking them as they go.
See you tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow, Charlie. So cakes are out of the oven. So I'll show you them in a second. But what you need to do is you're gonna get one of these things here. Piping nozzles. You need to get a piping nozzle. A small piping nozzle like this. One of these. So you get this side. I'm going to show you how to do it because I'm not going to show you. I'm just tell you. So you get one about this size. So you put it in. You push it in.
Hang on, I'll come.
So yeah, it's just really hot because they just came out. You just push this in here. And then you take it out and then put the sprinkles in.
Take 2 or 3 centimetres out.
Yeah,
pull it out.
Take 2 or 3 centimetres out, pull it out, put the sprinkles in, and then just the bit that you took out, just try to push that back in. So then you can have all the sprinkles in there. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that video.
Hope you enjoy the cakes.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy the cakes. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.